Well, across the country, coronavirus cases are on the rise in 20 states. Average new cases are up 7% this week.
We have seen cases and hospital admissions move from historic declines to stagnations to increases. And we know from prior surges that if we don't control things now, there is a real potential for the epidemic curve to soar again.
It is estimated more than 30 million people have contracted the virus in the U.S. The White House says more than 3.3 million coronavirus vaccine doses were administered on Friday. That is a new record, meaning more than 25% of the population have received at least their first shot. And soon, COVID-19 vaccines will be available for all Kansans and Missourians. Starting on Monday, anyone over the age of 16 in Kansas will become eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. Governor Laura Kelly says with an anticipated increase in supply from the federal government, she wants to get every dose into arms quickly. Missouri will also move into phase 2 of its vaccine rollout plan on Monday. People in construction, manufacturing, higher education, and other sectors will be able to get their shot. Vaccines should be open to all Missouri adults by April 9th. And all of these changes come as families get ready for Palm Sunday and Easter. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson has a look at how one Johnson County, Kansas church is preparing.
We will have doors propped open.
In-person worship is back at the United Methodist Church of the Resurrection after nearly a year exclusively online.
The biggest thing in our sanctuary is that we're going to have maximum of 50% capacity.
Kathy Bean shows us the precautions. The church has helped thousands get vaccinated by hosting vaccination clinics.
Our priority is keeping our congregation and our community safe.
Masks are required, sanitizer is everywhere, there's no offering plates, and seats are socially distanced.
You will not be sitting where someone had been sitting in a previous service.
One of the hardest things doctors ask, skip choirs and congregational singing.
Certainly when you are raising your voice and exhaling a little bit harder, you have that ability to put more viral particles or droplets into the environment, and that could be dangerous.
Bean says only small ensembles will perform. The congregation will sing with masks, but they encourage online worship.
You know, this year more than any, people want a message of hope. It's been that's what Easter is all about. It's life over death and light over darkness, and we all could use some of that.
In Leawood, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
And to maintain social distancing, the United Methodist Church of the Resurrection asked people to pre-register for that Easter service. You can do that by visiting core.org/Easter. Well, Jackson County health officials will ease some coronavirus restrictions in 2 weeks. Starting April 9th, non-essential businesses like gyms, restaurants, bars, and taverns can operate at full capacity. Mask wearing and social distancing will still be required. Missouri's state of emergency will stay in place through August. Governor Parsons signed that executive order on Friday. This allows the state to provide resources to ease regulations to get through the COVID-19 recovery, and it also allows the state to use the National Guard in pandemic efforts and receive federal funding. Kansas health officials added 3 more states to its travel quarantine list. Anyone coming back from Delaware, Michigan, and Rhode Island must quarantine. New Jersey and New York are also on the Kansas quarantine list, and so are the countries of Hungary and Jordan. Well, a Lenexa vaccination clinic that opened this week started administering 600 shots a day, and they're now up to 1,200. Next week, the clinic will run from 9 to 3 each day. You can make an appointment through Johnson County's online vaccine interest form. County officials hope to offer 1,800 appointments each day beginning next week.
It could mean that there are a lot more people that are chasing the few appointments that we have. But we also know that we're getting more vaccines next week.
And Johnson County's health director is confident that clinic will continue to grow.